Alright, so as we can see, the whole market is turned to the red right now, and you might be very worried like in which token I have to invest, in which token I have to sell them off. And that decision, if that decision is actually very random, then there are high chances that you will lose some money. So when the market is going to be red, then you have to be a bit wise. You have to buy if you have some liquidity always. So in this video, I will exactly explain my bullrun thesis, because this bullrun is just started. It's not end yet. It just started, and the Bitcoin is trading at 66,000, and this might go up to 200k, 150k, which nobody knows. It will be decided by the market. So if I explain exactly how this whole market works and what will be the values, what will be the price action that we can expect this bull market, we have to read the data, we have to read the charts, and then we have to derive our decisions. So today I have worked on the whole data and information, and I derived few data points which are actually helpful for the investment. So the first data point, if you see, is the market cap. So the whole crypto market cap is standing at $2.4 trillion. And if you see from 2014, it was at the max, which is 800 billion in 2018. In the next bull run, it went up to somewhere 3 trillion, which is around 5x. So previous bull run top was at 800 billion, and in the recent bull run top was 3 trillion. So if in this whole bull market, I am expecting this market cap top was around 6 trillion, which is just 2x of the previous one. So if 6 trillion was the top of this market, then where we are standing right now, we are not even started. So I have written down the whole complete thesis, which will explain the scenario that we can expect by the top of this bull cycle about Bitcoin and other altcoins. So as we already know, the whole market moves with the narratives, scenarios, speculation. So my thesis is very simple. So crypto will top at around 6 trillion market cap. So when we have 6 trillion, 5.5 trillion, we can expect that this is the end for this bull cycle. This might go to 10 trillion, but on the safe side, I'm expecting this could go to the $6 trillion. BTC will secure 2.5 trillion market cap at price 145k. So this is based on simple mathematics calculation. 20 million tokens will be into the circulation next year, and out of which the whole market, I am expecting around 2.5 trillion as a share into the current market cap at that time. And the price will be $145k dollar. So out of 6 trillion, if you do a very simple maths, $3.5 trillion will go into the altcoin. So the whole market cap will be 3.5 trillion, excluding the Bitcoin. So if you see the current market scenario where we are standing right now is very simple. We are here. 100 billion market cap is of DeFi, 50 billion meme coins, 25 billion AI and DeepIn, 20 billion of gaming, and 5 billion for RWA. You can also check these stats here. So meme coin 52 million, AI 32, and gaming is 23. So we have all those data over here. So this is currently where we are standing. So let's go again and see, this is the current market scenario. And if you see, so BTC had 1.3 trillion and the remaining alts at 1.1 trillion, out of which top L1 alts having 700 billion. So if you see, if I go to the cryptocurrencies ranking wise, so BTC is at 1.3 trillion, Ethereum 400, BNB 90 billion around. So this is what I'm explaining here is, so if we remove top L1s, Ethereum, Binance Coin, and other Solana. So we have a remaining allocation of around 200 billion. And if I do a categorization of those tokens, then DeFi will be at 100 billion, memes will be 50, and this is the percent share, 50% to DeFi, and leaving others to 150 billion, like other privacy coins and other coins. So based on the 6 trillion estimation, the peak market valuation by the narrative will be like this. So alts will have market cap of 3.5 trillion, out of which ETH, Solana, BNB and other tokens will have 2 trillion allocation. So out of 6 trillion, I have given 2.5 trillion to BTC, 2 trillion to top L1s, ETH, Solana, BNB. So in remaining, we have 1.5 trillion. And out of 1.5 trillion, I have given 500 billion to the other tokens except these narratives. So I have just taken out the cream, which is 1 trillion. Into the 1 trillion, I'm expecting DeFi will have 30%. Meme is deriving this cycle, so I'm expecting that would take a share of 25%. AI deepin is also driving, which is 20%. Gaming 15%, a bit mild, but also a driving factor. Lots of Notcoin is there. Many tokens are coming which are into the gaming sector. RW is really hot right now. If you see Ondo there, TokenFi is there. Lots of RWA tokens are coming. So I'm expecting this could go up to 10%, which is good. So this is the whole scenario that you can expect at that time. Out of DeFi, which was 100 billion right now, we can expect 300 billion at the top, which is the 3x. Meme coins can go up to 250 based on the calculation, which is 5x. This is speculation play, by the way. So AI and deepin, we are expecting 200 billion, means 8x. Gaming could go up to 7x. And RWA can go up to 20x. So if you are planning to invest, if you are planning to reallocate, reshuffle, adjust your investment, I think you should consider these information which I am sharing. So RWA, gaming and AI, these three plays could be really profitable. Into the AI deepin, lots of new tokens are coming. Ionet is there, Ether is there. Into the gaming, so Immutable X, Ronin is there. Into RWA, Ondo is driving the whole narrative. And lots of ETF things. So RWA is gonna be really good into this market. So this is all. So if you have to invest, so don't invest into such narratives which are not gonna perform. They might perform, but based on the current scenario, we can't expect that they will perform. So we have to allocate our investment based on the narratives which we can derive based on the data. So if I have to invest, I would be going to the RWA mostly, and AI deepin and gaming. So these three sections which I will actually prefer for the investment. So just final thoughts about this video is, meme plays a very speculative and high risk game. So I will actually avoid the investment into the meme coin, especially in low cap meme coin. So if I have to some gamble kind of thing we have to do, then it's okay to play with the memes, but we have to avoid if we want a good growth return. Second, RWA, AI, deepin, gaming is going to be the most rewarding sector this cycle. And this is what I am telling you. So choose tokens wisely, because building the wealth is important. You might be a paper rich, like you have 20x out of the portfolio, but you are not able to get those returns back into your bank account, cash or anything. I think there is no benefit of those gains. So build wealth, invest into good tokens, invest into leaders like Ondo for the RWA, gaming, Ronin, Immutable X. And for the AI deepin, you have to invest in Ionet, either into Tau, into Render. So these are the good projects. So just this is the information just to keep you updated how the whole market is working and what we can expect from this market into the long term as the bull cycle top. So that's all for this video. And if you like this video and if you got some information which is helpful for you, just hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. See you into the next video. Thank you.